Hey y'all, my name is Amelia Fenn and I'm going to be taking you guys to check out the Don Myers Technology and Innovation Building. Let's go! Welcome to DMTI, or Don Myers Technology and Innovation Building. This is going to be another one of our fantastic College of Arts and Science buildings that we have here on campus, but this one is going to be home to all of our hard sciences. So any of our physics, mathematics, or statistics classes are all going to take place within this school. As a student at American University, you are required to take at least one quantitative and one qualitative analysis course. Those are just fancy words meaning that you have to take at least one math class and one writing class that has something to do with your major. Who wouldn't want to though, especially in this building, as it's such a great place to get work done. With blackboards and whiteboards all along the walls, some really comfy, fantastic seating, and a lot of collaboration spaces to get work done with different student organizations or friend groups, it's a really great place to check out on campus. Welcome to the Don Myers Technology and Innovation Building's Design and Build Lab. This is going to be one of our great innovation spaces on campus and a great place to get some STEM work done. One of the best things about it is that you do not have to be a College of Arts and Sciences student in order to access these resources. Essentially, anyone with an AUID can come in here, get 3D printing certified, or use any of our laser cutting different technologies that we have here. It's a fantastic lab to check out when you get to campus. If mathematics and statistics, for whatever reason, aren't your strong suit, there is absolutely no need to worry. The Academic Support and Access Center, or ASAC, has you covered. Within the Don Myers Technology and Innovation Building, we have something called our Math and Stat Lab. It's a great tutoring center for students to go for any help that they may need during those quantitative analysis courses. In order to be a tutor in that lab, students not only have to have completed the exact same class that you're taking, but they have to have taken it with the same professor and have gotten an A. It's an incredible opportunity to make sure that you're successful within those AU core courses. Now we're going to explore the rest of East Campus and talk a little bit about campus safety.